children. How are you all? Fine. What is this displayed on the board? Is it a bird? Okay, I can see the different parts of a bird, right? Yes. Can anyone tell about the different parts of a bird? Yes, Aliza?
A bird has beak, wings, claws, toe, feathers.
Okay. So now, tell me the different type of beak of a water bird, Arjun.
Water birds such as duck and goose have broad and flat beaks to take in muddy water with insects, worms and plants using their beaks.
Okay, very good. Can you tell me the sharp claws about different flesh-eating birds?
Flesh-eating birds such as eagles and vultures have very sharp claws called talons.
Talons. So the sharp claws of eagles are called as talons. Okay. Yes.
Sunbird and hummingbird suck nectar from flowers. They have long and pointed beaks.
Okay. They have long and pointed beaks. Okay. Now I want to know that where do the birds live, ma?
Next.
The nest? Yes. Can you tell me something about the nest?
Builds nests mostly to lay eggs in them.
Okay. Lay eggs in them. Okay. Can you tell one example of a nest?
Penguins live in cold places, so they collect stones and pebbles, and they make them
Their nest
on the ground.
on the ground. Okay. Yes, Gaurik?
A tailored bird uses its beak to sieve leaves and build its nest.
To build its nest. Okay. Very good. Still anybody? Yes, Anish?
Woodpecker
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker use his
Beak.
beak to make a hole to the tree and
Make its
lay
nest.
eggs in the tree.
Okay. Next, yes, Janavi?
Different types of the bird.
Hmm.
Crow, sparrow, pigeon and parrot are called perching birds.
So these are different types of birds. Okay, good. Still anyone? Yes, Lasya? What you are going to tell about? Yes.
A bird's body is covered with many feathers. There are 3 types of feathers:
Hmm.
body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers.
Okay, so the bird's body is covered with feathers. There are 3 types of feathers. What are the 3 types of feathers?
Down feathers, feathers, flight feathers.
Very good. So some of the children have prepared a song, right? Yes. Are you all prepared for? Are you all ready for the song?
Yes.
Yeah. Who are those to sing a song here? Yeah. Please come here near the board.